Hello, upcoming Mac heroes. How are you? Guys, I've got an interesting thing today. I thought to talk about it. I just stumbled upon that one, and then I thought maybe there are people who don't know about it. And just to do a general talk on certification and training and its importance. So today the video is not going to be edited, so it takes so much of time when I edit the video. I really can't do, so I'm going to paste it, upload it raw. Okay, pardon me for the mistakes. So I was going through a Kanji article and it was talking about certification and all, and then I landed up here. So thanks to Kanji. This page has all the certifications that you could do in Apple, and this is the easiest one because most of you guys are already doing this, so you understand the basics. The course time is like the training time is 11 hours 45 minutes, so let's say 12 hours. If you just put in 2 hours a day, you would be done within a week. Or let's say if you are a lazy ass, you can finish it within 2 weeks. Okay, and there is no excuse why you shouldn't be doing it. Okay, that's very clear. If you're delaying, it's you. Okay, but it's important to have good certifications in your resume. You know why, right? I'm not encouraging you to change the job though. But yeah, so let's have a look at this one. So how to deploy and manage Apple devices. Okay, here are the topics. So preparing for the course, and then you have preparing for the exam, and then you have test exams as well. You've got MDM planning, understanding and MDM. So how MDM works, most of you guys already know. Let's click on it and see if there is an interesting diagram or something that we could copy. Yeah, it is. It's explained so nicely. Every time when a new guy comes in, or we change the tool, or there is a new client we support, I have to draw this diagram that talks about their specific server. We don't write out, like I don't write MDM. I used to write FileWave, Kandji, jamf. But this article is really good. I mean, you guys could use it in your document as well, or at least, remove the Apple logo if there is any, and then you could use it. But this is explaining how MDM works. It's nice. I liked it. And then you have got exploring MDM framework. I don't know when they would add DTM. Let's see. Hopefully soon. But yeah, so chapter 2, evaluating MDM solutions. This is nice if it's helping you to evaluate different solutions and make you understand what is important. Because tomorrow, if you go and present something to a client who is planning to come on, who's planning to onboard Macs or start to manage Macs, this kind of article or things that you have read here, if you present it to them and you refer Apple, it's going to have a good impact on client, I'm sure. Okay, and then in every topic there is a test question as well. So explore Apple's MDM framework. I would love to see this one. And okay, not much of diagram. So you've got test questions as well on every page. And then you have chapter 2, evaluate. Okay, we are here. Preparing your network, evaluating authentication and user services. That's important. Designing a security strategy. And when you are talking about evaluating authentication, if you have Azure AD or Entra ID, you have to think about that as well. And natively, Apple is not really supporting the web login at this moment, but we will see how it goes in future. Today's topic is not going deep into those things. Today is only about today it's only about encouraging you guys to do the certification. Okay, let's see what else do we have. So okay, here setting up the organization. So here using the ABM, adding locations and users, adding MDM servers, manually adding device to your organization. You don't really have to do it manually. But yeah, go through the article and see. It's really interesting. I like the topics, you see. And then you have got device enrollment, managing device assignment. See if they talk in detail about how removing the activation lock code works, and if they have any plans in future to start giving an option so that we could re-enable the activation lock code. I'm not sure if you guys are following, but that's a problem. If we disable it, it just stays there. There is no way to enable it. But if you do the certification and you go through the article, see, you might find something interesting. Okay, managing devices, Managing device network configuration, of course. Joining Wi-Fi. And this is giving me an idea to talk about Wi-Fi certificates maybe in the next video. I'll see if I could take out some time and make it soon. But this topic was device management. So yeah, joining to the network, configuration network services, and using VPN, managing content, that's cool. Managing data, managing device security, managing traffic, that's cool. Managing lost devices, this is nice. Oh yes, they have a topic here, managing activation lock. Let's see if there is a way to um, allowing, disabling. Okay, but it doesn't talk about re-enabling, because in our case sometimes we give the devices to the hardware vendor if there is a physical problem, they want to replace the motherboard or something. So in that case we have to remove the activation lock code, and there is no way to put it back. So that is one problem. I don't know if Apple is planning to solve it, or do they even see it as a problem. But let's go back to our point. And then yeah, recycling. So this one looks good. Like I liked it. If you go here for the planning for preparing for exam, it takes you to another page probably, where you could select your certificates, sorry, which certification you want to give, which all exams are available. So right now I'm in Europe, I might not have the same as you guys, but let's see. Signing up for practice exam, okay. Mhm. So available exams, oh, I can see these two, but there are no buttons or something to enroll it. I'm not sure. Let's go to practice exams. So you've got device support practice, and then here is your Apple deployment and management practice exam. So if you want, you can see how it goes, like enrolling for the practice exam and seeing, oh, okay, yeah, I was trying this one. So it's very strange thing. It said that you apply and then Apple would wait for it. It's just a practice exam. Like, why do we have to wait for approval? Anyways, I don't know much about this specific exam. The ones that I did was in 2010, 12, 14, and probably 15 was the last exam or certification which I did. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. Understanding why certification is important, and when you do a presentation to client with Apple provided standard information, Apple recommended way, it really works. It really helps. You have your credibility. So yeah, that's it for today. I think we will talk about what we saw here today, how to set up Wi-Fi and how Wi-Fi works it traditionally in our organization and other organizations, and basic about troubleshooting, and then slowly we would build on that video. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Have fun, get certified, okay?